Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have you been bothered by endless spam or scam calls from unknown numbers? If you prefer to limit your calls to people you know, there are ways to avoid unwanted callers. In this video, I will show you 3 different hacks to block spam calls on your iPhone. Let's go. Blocking is the most common way to stop unwanted calls and messages. To block a number manually, go to Settings and browse to Phone. Open Blocked Contacts. Click Add New and choose one from your contact list. If you recently received a call from someone you don't know, open the Phone app and navigate to the Recents tab. Click the Info button next to the number and tap Block Caller. While blocking individual numbers is a good first step, spammers get around it by spoofing, a trick where they change their caller ID to keep calling. To avoid this, you can just completely mute all unknown callers on your iPhone instead. Open Settings. Scroll to Phone. Go to Silence Unknown Callers, and then enable the configuration. Once activated, all calls from unsaved numbers or people you haven't contacted will go straight to voicemail. However, you will still see them in your recent calls marked as missed. Although silencing unknown callers stops spam, it's important to remember that you may miss calls from friends or businesses with new numbers. If you don't want that, consider a third-party spam call blocker. To download one, go to the App Store and search for Block Spam Calls. You'll see many options, but prioritize apps with lots of downloads and positive reviews. Sync.me looks like a popular choice, so let's give it a try. After installing, grant the app the permissions it requests, including access to your phone number. Switch to the Spam Detector tab and turn it on. These apps integrate with the iOS call blocking and identification feature, allowing you to customize how your phone handles unknown calls. Follow the prompt to open this specific configuration in your settings and enable Sync.me to block spam calls. For long-term blocking, you can add numbers to the app server's blocked list. Sync.me also shows you the top spammers it has identified. For extra protection, turn on Block Top Spammers so they won't be able to ring your phone. Even if a spam call comes through, Sync.me will flag it as potential spam, giving you the option to hang up and block the number. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye.